How to log in into Citibank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Citibank login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Citibank login. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in the password. After you fill this, if you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember user ID. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of register for online access and go through the process and do that. After you fill this, click on sign on and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Citibank online banking account. Or also what you can do is download the Citi mobile app. You can get the mobile app easy in the App Store or Google Play Store. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.